Hello again viewers, another exciting video from Benidorm. Question people are asking me, is it suitable for families? Let me show you a couple of places. If you're coming here as a family, you might enjoy, you might get a wee surprise. Let's go a wee walk. Wee statue there at the roundabout. So we're just really off the main promenade. There's a promenade down there on the beach. And we've got the Bulldog across here. Looks like a nice new pub. And we've got Japanese restaurant and the Hotel Belroy here. So if you just want a wee location spot, you're wondering where I am, we're just really off the promenade, heading towards the old town, and the rain has just come on. I'm not joking, viewers, look at this, look at this. The rain has just started as I pressed the record button. I've got no fleece, nothing. Unbelievable. It's been 23 degrees today, it's been lovely all day, but it's got cloudy the last half hour to an hour. And this is about 7 o'clock at night. I'm filming it. Big hotel that one, Belroy. Quite a good location, but in between kind of new town and old town. Quite a good location. So let's cross over. I'll show you a couple of places. So if you're coming here as a family, there's lots of places that are suitable, especially if you're staying up the old town or in any family hotel, really, to be honest, in the new town. Avoid the Strip. Anywhere around about there is not suitable for families. I'm just being honest with you, it's definitely not suitable for families. Around about Cafe Benidorm and the Beachcomber, even the Strip, it's got Morgan Tavern, Western Saloon and all that. I wouldn't say it's suitable for families, it's party zone. But this wee bit here is definitely suitable for families. 10-pin bowling. We've got wee arcade machines in here as well. There's got some here next door I'll show you as well. So we've got 10-pin bowling and all sorts of things in here. So maybe you look. I might need to edit this because of the music, we'll see. So it's the usual stuff here. Let's go down a wee bit further. A wee bit different this video, eh? You can buy all the bars and the restaurants. So I thought I'd do a wee family one. Quite a lot of stuff in here. Oh, never mind kids, I'd enjoy it in here. It's good to have your game, we always play that on holiday. Reminds me of caravan parks in the UK. Got a few bowling games here as well. We've got proper 10-pin bowling at the back, wait till I show you. Here is the proper 10-pin bowling. Don't know the price of it, should have found it out before I come in. We've got a wee bar and a cafe here if you want a wee bite to eat as well. And there is the 10-pin bowling. So, good wee night for the family, good wee day out, something a bit different. We've got a wee stall over there where you can win prizes, I take it. Let's head out, I'll show you another place for families. Hire your shoes there. Basketball games. So, one thing you can see, everybody's having fun. Even the guy punching this punch bag's having fun. Let's head out. The lights up there, cool. Different, eh? So, that place will definitely be struggling with the increase in electricity bills, there's no doubt in that. Right, is the rain went off? No, viewers, the rain has not went off. Breaking news, it's still on. Oh, here we go. Another wee place for families. Festalandia. Okay, we might as well go in and show you. Well, it might be the same machines they've got next door, let's see. There's another place next door I'll show you as well. Hold on. The video might get more interesting if you're not into these things. We'll see. It's loud in here. Oh, I've got better prizes in here. Look at the prizes I've got. Look, they've got a laptop. You probably have to play for about a year to get a laptop and spend about 10 grand. But you'll notice some of the flashing lights here. This is because they've got LED lights. Somebody was telling me, one of the viewers, there's nothing I can do with that. The new modern LED lights, the different frame rate on the camera, can't do anything about that. So that's a pretty good place as well. But a wee surprise for you, let's go out. They've got more next door. Let's head out. A lot of people in in there enjoying themselves. A wee hidden gem. Check this out. Benidorm Circus. A wee hidden gem, look. Never mind the kids, that looks fun, doesn't it? There's no waltzers, which I'm glad, because I went on the waltzers at Blackpool last year and I was sick when I came off them. It was too much for me. The rain's getting heavy, by the way. Fiesta Express here, a wee train. So, coming here as a family, I think you'll quite enjoy these places. Probably aimed at younger kids, this one. Look, that's like a wee soft play area over there as well. I think there's a queue for that, it's so popular. Pretty good. And there's a wee train there as well. Kids will love this as well, eh? The wee drive. Oh, the rain's getting heavy, viewers. Let's go in, let's go in. It's getting heavy. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, the rain. Just take my word for it, it's getting really heavy. Oh dear, oh dear. This did not end well, viewers. It's getting monsoon-like now, I think. So we've got a wee cafe restaurant round there as well. The guy's got the right idea, he's in the shelter. Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah, I need to go left anyway, I'm heading that way. So, that's just a wee video for the folk who are coming here as a family, maybe. Wee bar there. A lot of people sheltering from the rain. The big trees there, eh? Just think I'll be able to go under there and it won't be as wet. I think it is, unfortunately. I'm going to need to go back to the hotel and change now. I'm going to be that wet. Oh. Definitely going to get fleeced. Oh, it's better underneath the trees, definitely is. These lights going at night, see these lights? I've done another video where I got lost coming up back home last night. Just at the end here, the lights going, it's quite nice. So just off the promenade and really just round the corner from the new town and the strip, you've got that wee family section. So it might kill a day for you. Plenty of family hotels in Benidorm as well. They've obviously got a few fun parts, theme parks near here as well. So yeah, families definitely can come here. Just avoid the main strip. It's all Casablanca Hotel. That's oh no, sorry, it's all Costa Blanca, not Casablanca. I was thinking of the film there. That's a good location, that hotel, just really at the back. Look at all these guys sheltering from the rain. I'm hardcore, eh? So I've only been in here 2 days, Benidorm. It's rained both days for a wee bit. Hopefully this is going to go off. I've got a cap on at least, so that's one bonus, but nothing else is. A lot of wee random shops there. Phone and the gimbal's getting soaked now as well, so this has not ended well. There's that, people are going up to there. A lot of people coming in and out of there, I don't know what it is. There's the promenade and the beach. A couple of wee bars actually, I never noticed down there. Some sort of Irish bar there, quite a few Irish bars around about here. Quite a lot of shops over here as well. There's people queuing up to go in here. What is that in here? I think it's a church maybe. Let's see. No, church? Not sure. They're all sheltering anyway. Oh, unbelievable. Soaked in Spain. I'm used to getting soaked in Scotland, not Spain. It's definitely getting heavier. Always happens, well, see when the rain comes on, it always happens when you're quite a distance away from your hotel. It never happens when you're round the corner. That's just the way it goes. I can barely remember it raining when I've been in Tenerife, ever. But it's rained a few times here, but... You need to stop saying but. Couldn't turn the phone round there. These lights will be going on soon because it's going to get dark quite soon here. That's the lights there, that wee circle. Tiffany's cafe over there. If you want your breakfast, in there. Breakfast at Tiffany's. Mango, clothes shop. Getting quite close to the old town now, just heading in here. There's the promenade and the beach. Nobody will be on the beach just now, I can tell you that. Scuba divers maybe they'll be there, no bother them. Does anybody know if gimbals are waterproof? If you're not sure what a gimbal is, the gimbal is the thing that holds the phone steady. So I'm walking here and I just slot it into a wee gimbal and I hold it. You really need it for doing walking videos, you can't do it without the gimbal. Somebody was asked me how much the gimbals cost, and I did actually meet somebody in the promenade who asked me. You can get them second hand. I was speaking to Lucy, who runs the Benidorm Enthusiast channel. Check out Lucy's channel, it's brilliant. She was saying she got a second hand one from somewhere for like €50. This one I've got I think was roughly about £90. It's a DJI Osmo 3. So if you're thinking of starting your own YouTube channel, that's all you need, a gimbal. You get them cheaper than £90 now. The Osmo have brought out a new one, I think it's a 4. But I was speaking to Daniel from TenerifeFirstExcursions.com, and Daniel was telling me that he had the more recent DJI Osmo and it was rubbish compared to the old one. He preferred the older one. I've heard a few people saying that, so if you're thinking of buying a gimbal, probably just buy a second hand one, the DJI Osmo 3, that'll do the job. McDonald's over there. The fountain here. If you're not wet enough, you can jump in there. Just remembered I meant to take a picture for the thumbnail in the wee arcade there. It's probably going to give me that wee fountain as a thumbnail or something ridiculous. Doing it on the phone, YouTube gives me a choice of 3 thumbnails. Usually they're pretty bad. If I've got my laptop, I've got software, I can pick the thumbnail from anywhere in the video. But I don't have my laptop with me, so that's pointless, isn't it? The burger place. Wee cafes round here. My hotel's maybe about 10-15 minute walk just up into the old town. Not far up here from Tapas Alley and all the other places I've done videos. What about this rain, viewers? It's getting serious now. It's even getting heavier. Look at this. Watch this. Look at these people sheltering. A whole line of people sheltering. It's unbelievable, the rain. Unbelievable. Rain, rain, go to Spain, never come back again. If somebody said that today, it's worked. Oh dear, oh dear. Right viewers, I think my phone is getting flooded and the gimbal, so thanks for watching. It's a wee family video, so come here as a family. I hope you enjoy their places. Something a wee bit different on the channel. Don't forget, hit the wee red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free today. Just today. I'm not joking, it's free anytime. Give a wee thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you don't. Check this out. Wow, it's getting proper serious now. I'm going to need to take shelter, viewers. I'll see you on the next one, okay? Oh dear. Thanks for watching.